Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to calibrate your Govee TV Backlight 3. So in order to calibrate your Backlight 3, as you see here, what you want to do is first connect your backlight to your app if you haven't done so already. Afterwards, click on your backlight. And then on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see this gear icon. You want to go ahead and click that. And then you're going to click on Calibrate Camera. So once you click on this, you're going to click on Restart Calibration. I'm not going to click mine yet just because mine's already calibrated and I don't want to mess it up. It looks really nice. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you click on Calibrate Strip. And once you actually click on Calibrate Strip, you want to make sure that you choose the exact image in which your light strip is actually imitating. So you see how it's red on the right side and blue on the top side? That's why I have this second one actually toggled. So now the calibration process, how it's actually going to work is that you're going to put these orange squares in 7 points on the TV as indicated by the app. Now you're just going to follow the prompts. I'm not going to go much into detail as far as how the actual calibration process goes, just because Govee does a pretty good job at helping you calibrate your TV. What I am going to be saying though is that after you calibrate it, and if it doesn't sync well, what I actually ended up doing, and I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this, is that I actually adjusted the angle of my camera. So I actually tilted it a very slightly upwards, and I tilted it very slightly downwards. That's something I haven't seen someone talk about. But that's what actually helped me out when it came to calibrating my camera. Next, the other thing you have to do is that when your calibration is done, you want to make sure that you show a completely blank white screen. So you can just search this on any video online. Show a completely blank white screen. And then you want to actually adjust your saturation and white balance settings. So what I mean by that is, once you're actually showing a completely blank white screen, you want to go back into your Govee TV Backlight and then click on Video and then click on Color Calibration. And my white balance is set to 26% and the saturation is set to 50% and the brightness is set to on top there 100%. So with that blank white screen, your goal is basically to make the backlight as close as possible match that completely blank white screen. So you're basically just trying to make the backlights also white and match that blank white screen. So that's how I calibrated my TV backlight. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. The setup that I'm running is currently 2 floor lamps plus 1 TV backlight, and this looks absolutely amazing. I'll leave links to these down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.